We are going to learn Vedic math, which is more convenient and easy to do any type of calculations. Our current method is lengthy as well as it is a time consuming. Now we are going to observe two-digit multiplication by using the Vedic method. Now I am writing here one example 32 into suppose 54. In this method I am writing the same example 3 times for your better understanding. 32 into 54, 32 into 54, 32 into 54, 3 times. First step I am writing here, you have to multiply 2 and 3. Second step, cross multiplication and addition. Second step, cross multiplication and addition. Second step. And third, you have to multiply these two numbers. Third. Now we are applying this into the actual example. Now we know that 2 4s are 8. So I am writing here 8. First we made the multiplication 2 4s are 8. Second step is cross multiplication 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 4s are 12. 10 plus 12 22. 22 to carry 2. Now third step is the product of these two numbers 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15 plus carry 2 means our multiplication becomes 1728. I am explaining once again. In the Vedic method we perform the multiplication of these two numbers. 2 4s are 8. First step we write 8 here. Then cross multiplication and addition. We made the multiplication 3 4s are 12 and 2 5s are 10. Their addition is 22. We wrote 2 here and carries 2. Now the multiplication of these two, 3 into 5. It gives 15 plus carry 2 added 70. Now I am going to explain you third example. Second example, 51 into suppose 35. First step, the product of these two, 5 into 1, 5 1s are 5. Now cross multiplication, 3 1s are 3 and 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 3, product of these two, 28. I am writing 8 here, carry is 2. Now third step, 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 70. Now we are going 24 into suppose 32. First step, the product of these two, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Second step, product cross multiplication and their addition. 2 2s are 4 and 3 4s are 12. 4 plus 12, 16. 6, carry 1. Then third step, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus carry 1, 7. Now I am writing next example 41 into suppose 85. First step, product of these two, First step, product of these two. 5 ones are 5. Second step, cross multiplication. 3 fours are 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. 28. Carry is 2. Third step, the product of these two numbers. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32 plus carry. Carry is 2. 34. Now I hope you will be understand. Before continuing the next 3-digit example, I will request you please take the photograph of this part. Multiplication of 3-digit number. I am writing here 213 into 521. Now I am writing the same question for your better understanding. 13 into 521. 213 into 521. 213 into 521. 213 into 521. 213 into 521. First step, you have to multiply these two. 3 into 1. First step. Second step, cross multiplication of these two and addition. Second step is cross multiplication of these two. 1 and 1, 2 and 3, and then you have to add. Third step, these two, 5 and 3, and then middle one, 3, 1. This one is third step. Fourth, these two and their addition, fourth step. And fifth, last step is 2 into 5. This is the last one. Now first step is 3 into 1. 2 into 5. This one is fifth. First step, the product of these two. 3 ones are 3. Second, cross multiplication and then their addition. 1 into 1 and 3 into 2. Product of 3 into 2 and 1 into 1 and their addition. Second step. Here, second step. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Second step. Then third step, product of these two. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 1s are 2. Then second, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus these 2, 17. And 2 1s are 2. Means 19. First, I am explaining here. Third step, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 3s are 15. 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15, 17. And product of middle one. 2 1s are 2. 17 plus 2, 19. Carry is 1. Now, fourth. Product of these two. 4. 2 1s are 2. And 5 1s are 5. Product of these two. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. And carry 1, 10. 1. Now last step is the product of these two. 10 plus this carry 1, 11. This is our answer. take the photocopy. So start. Second example, 1, 2, 1, 3 into 1, 1, 2. We know that you are familiar. I am writing the same question 5 times for your better understanding. Multiplication of these two. This is the first step. 2 3s are 6. First step we have completed. You know that second step is the product of these two and their addition. Second step, product of these two and their addition. Now 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Now third step, product of these two, then 3 and 1 and then middle 1 1. This is the third step. Now I am applying here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus the product of these two, 3, 4 plus 3, 7 and then the product of these two middle, 7 plus 1, 8. This is the third step. And fourth, the product of these two and their addition. This is the fourth step. Now I am applying here 2 1s are 2 plus 1 into 1 means 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Same procedure. Next last step, the product of these two. Product of these two. Fifth number step. 2 1s are 2. I am writing 2 here. Okay friends, observe this problem well and try to solve. You will be understand better and you will revise and you will be able to apply this method to each and every problem, and after few days of the practice you will be better familiar with this method. Thank you.